Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Senate President Godwin Akpabio don tok am come outside say Nigeria fit no experience banditry today if no be say dem change national anthem for 1978. Akpabio tok dis one wen e go visit Nigerian Institute of Legislative Democratic Studies (NILDS) yesterday. Na May President Bola Tinubu sign am to law di bill to go back to di old national anthem "Nigeria We Hail Thee" wey military government drop in 1978. Na Lillian Jean Williams write dis national anthem for 1959 before Francis Bada compose am. Former governor of Akwa Ibom State describe dis national anthem as di one wey dey appealing pass for 10th assembly. Akpabio note am say anoda bill wey dey appealing to am again na di student loan bill. E say dem don select over 30,000 Nigerian students wey go benefit from dis loan bill. Talking about di national anthem, Akpabio say if we look am well and keep to it, banditry no go dey today for Nigeria, because if you take your neighbor as your brother, you no go wan kill am abi go im farm go cut im head. Dis further tori dey inside The Guardian. Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara don swear in new caretaker chairmen for di 23 local government area wey dey di state. Di swearing-in happen for Government House for Port Harcourt as dem list di names of all di chairmen inside di Guardian newspaper wey come out today. Na today South African president take im oath of office before Chief Justice of South Africa Raymond Zondo. Na before country pipo Cyril Ramaphosa swear say im go dey faithful to di Republic of South Africa. Im go obey, observe, uphold and maintain di constitution and all oda law of di republic. Many big pipo from all over Africa and di world, including President Bola Tinubu and former President Olusegun Obasanjo, dey there to witness di swearing-in. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. The leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, don tok am say im go ask federal government make dem negotiate on top the court case e dey battle. Kanu tok dis one through the leader of im lawyer Aloy Ejimakor as e tell Federal High Court for Abuja today say im go seek negotiation under Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act. The act explain say for any proceeding in the court may promote reconciliation among parties thereto and encourage and facilitate the amicable settlement thereof. Before now, Ejimakor don move 2 applications before the court. E say if dem deny the application, im client go move for the implementation of Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act. When e dey respond, federal government lawyer Adegboyega Awomolo tell court say im don tell the defendant say im no get power to negotiate on behalf of the federal government. E say make the defendant approach Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Lateef Fagbemi, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Na im get power to negotiate on behalf of government. Dis one dey happen as Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court for Abuja dismiss the fresh bail application wey Deputy Commissioner of Police wey dey de ten tion, Abba Kyari, file, say make dem release am on bail pending the time dem go finish im trial. Kyari dey face 8-count charge wey border on drug trafficking wey NDLEA take accuse am. NDLEA accuse Kyari say between January 19 and 25, 2022, for inside Office of Inspector General of Police (IRT) Abuja, Kyari join hands with ASP John Umoru wey don escape now, ACP Sunday J. Ubia, ASP Bawa James, Inspector Simon Agiregba and Inspector John Nuhu to unlawfully tamper with 21.25 kilograms of cocaine wey dem seize from 2 convicted drug traffickers. Chibunna Patrick Umeibe and Emeka Afosos Ezenwanne, and dis one dey against di law of NDLEA and Federation of Nigeria 2004. E don reach 2 times wey court dey deny Kyari bail. For today sitting again, court say Kyari application lack merit. If una remember say na last month court grant Kyari temporary bail from prison custody so dat e go get opportunity at ten d im mama final burial. Di court grant am 50 million naira bail for 2 weeks with 2 sureties di same amount. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Robo Queen don show body say dem ready for di President Federation Cup quarter-final against Niger Rattles. Di match go happen for Stephen Keshi Stadium, Asaba. Emmanuel Osaro side dey determined to go all the way for di competition. If una remember say Robo Queens crash for quarter-final inside 2023 President Federation Cup, but dis time around dem say they are mentally ready to move a step ahead of the game against Niger Rattles as the club take write am put for their X handle. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.